Welcome to Lokhidev Das Information YouTube channel. Now I have presentation on CSE IIBF new pattern exam question and answer in English in part 3. If you don't watch part 2, part 1 and part 2 video, I have given link on description. Presented by Lokhidev Das 9101046197, Director Krishnaguru Computer Training Center, KCTC, Okajan, Chantipur, PO Okajan, PS Silabata District, Dhemaji, Assam, pin 787059. According to June 2022 pattern, question number 41. We have already uploaded part 1, part 2. Part 1 is 20 question, part 2 is 20 question, then part 3 is 20 question. The question number is 41. Financial inclusion can be explained and ensuring delivery of financial service at affordable cost to disadvantaged and low income groups of society. Large number of steps has been initiated in this regard over past few years. Which one of the following is correct? Response: option A, promoting trading activity through stock exchange, selling mutual funds, etc. Option B, launching of SHG bank linkage model. Option C, introduction of small account by RBI on KYC document is insisted at initial stage if customer does not process either one pertaining to proof of identity and or addresses. Option D, leveraging technology effectively to provide banking facilities even in remote areas. The right answer is option A, promoting trading activity through stock exchange, selling mutual fund, etc. Question number 42. Identify the incorrect statement from among the following pertaining to crossing of sex. Select the most appropriate option from among the following. Response: option A, special cross check has to pay through an account with the name bank. Option B, a cross check cannot be paid across the counter to the payee in cash. Option C, drawing in the face of a check that towards crossing is called crossing. Option D, a check may be crossed by the drawer, issuer and holder. The right answer is option C, drawing in the face of a check the words crossing is called crossing. Question number 43. BCs/BF must be educated about few important aspects towards technology related issues/problems. Which of the following aspects is not correct? Response: option A, BS/BF should not operate or carry out a transaction when there is communication failure in the system. Option B, BC/BF should not carry out transaction when a transactional receipt or acknowledgement cannot be generated through the system. Option C, BC/BF may be charged some fees directly from the customers by offering some types of guarantee in favor of the customers. Option D, BC/BF may charge some fees directly from the customers by offering some types of guarantee in favor of the customers. The right answer is option C, BC/BF may charge some fees directly from the customers by offering some types of guarantee in favor of the customers. Question number 44. Presently the six officially valid document UVDs for KYC are. Selected the most appropriate option from among the following. Response: option A, PAN, Aadhaar, passport, election card, driving license, job card issued by NREGA. Option B, proof of profession of Aadhaar number, passport, election card, driving license, job card issued NREGA, letter issued by National Population Register containing details of name and address. Option C, PAN, proof of profession of Aadhaar number, passport, election card, driving license, job card issued by NREGA. Option D, PAN, Aadhaar card, passport, election card, driving license, letter issued by National Population Register containing details of name and address. The right answer is option A, PAN, Aadhaar, passport, election card, driving license, job card issued by NREGA. Question number 45. Financial service can be penetrated in rural and remote areas more effectively through BC/BF model. Which one of the following is correct? Response option A, bank deposit having technology do not have enough manpower to serve the customers in the rural and semi-urban areas. Option B, vast rural areas in our country can be served directly more effectively for proving basic banking activities with IT enabled products. Option C, BC/BF being local persons have good relationship with local people. Option D, outsourcing reduce bank cost of various customer related service. The right answer is option B, vast rural areas in our country can be served directly more effectively for proving basic banking activities with IT enabled products. Question number 46. The functioning of BC/BF face significant risks towards technology based products. Which one of the following is not true? Response option A, many customers, more particular from rural areas, are unable to understand digital banking products. Option B, in technology based banking products, the security of transaction is big issue, and if these concerns are not clearly known to the BCS who are dealing with such products will aggravate. Option C, ATM related issue, that is delay in universal of wrong debit, short payment through ATM etc. can be properly communicated to the customer if BCA is to the debt with the same. Option D, to provide better customer service, PIN related issues are solved at BCA level like block PIN generation, new PIN issue in place of lost PIN. The right answer is option D, to provide better customer service, PIN related issues are solved at BCA level like block PIN generation, new PIN issue in place of lost PIN. Question number 47. BharatNet program is one of the scheme launched under. Select the most appropriate option from among the following. Response option A, Skill India campaign. Option B, Smart City campaign. Option C, Startup India campaign. Option D, Digital India campaign. The right answer is option D, Digital India campaign. Question number 48. A financial institution, while acting as a bank, that is an intermediary between servers and investors or issuers of fund, does not offer which of the following services to its clients. Select the most appropriate option from among the following. Response option A, bank accept deposit from the public in the form of saving, current and or term deposits. Option B, a bank facilities to remit money or funds from one place to another in the form of demand draft of money transfer through electronic channels. Option C, a bank offers to its clients sell and purchase of equity shares and commodity dealings. The right answer is option C. A bank offers to its clients sell and purchase of equity share and commodity dealings. Question number 49. Which one of the following is not step generally taken by banks towards mitigating the risks faced by BC/BF? Response: option A, specific suitable limits on cash holding by BCs. Option B, specific limit on individual cash payment and cash receipt. Option C, transaction performed by BCs are tracked by banks or transaction to transaction basis. Option D, ensure that all agreements contracts with customers clearly specify that the bank is responsible for the acts of commission of the BCs. The right answer is option D, ensure that all agreements contracts with customers clearly specify that the bank is responsible for the act of commission of the BCs. Question number 50. What requirements are needed for carrying out a biometric and transaction? Roman 1, electricity connection. 2, web camera. 3, server for storing data. Select the most appropriate option from the following. Response: option A, only 1 and 2. Option B, only 2 and 3. Option C, only 1 and 3. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. The right answer is option A, only 1 and 2. Question number 51. As per extant instructions, interest on saving bank can be paid. Select the most appropriate option from the following. Among the following. Response: option A, on yearly basis only. Option B, on half yearly basis only. Option C, on quarterly basis only. Option D, on quarterly intervals as per the direction of the bank. The right answer is option B, on half yearly basis only. Question number 52. What is the transaction terminal? 1. It enables to CSP to deposit and withdraw cash. 2. The transaction data is sent online through a GPRS connectivity. 3. For offline transaction, the transaction data is stored in the internal database of the terminal and then transferred to main server. Select the most appropriate option from among the following. Response: option A, only 1 and 2. Option B, only 2 and 3. Option C, only 1 and 3. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. The right answer is option A, only 1 and 2. Question number 53. Which one of the following statements is correct about handheld device HDD? Select the most appropriate option from among the following. Response: option A, it is called branchless banking model. Option B, it works only offline for providing any connectivity problems. Option C, it has battery backup of up 100 transactions. Option D, bank can fix only transaction limit for uploading offline transaction data to server. The right answer is option A, it is called branchless banking model. Question number 54. Unified Payments Interface UPI is a system that powers multiple bank accounts into a single mobile application of any participating bank. It does not provide which one of the following benefit to IMPS? Select the most appropriate option from among the following. Response: option A, simplified merchant payment. Option B, P2P push functionality. Option C, single app for money transfer. Option D, single two-factor authentication. The right answer is option C, single app for money transfer. Question number 55. Which of the following statements are incorrect about X2X service code in a RuPay card? 1. Service codes are 4-digit values which issuers encodes in the magnetic strap of the card of a card. 2. These codes are used to convey instruction to merchant terminals on how a card should be proceeded. 3. X2X indicates the transaction must be sent offline for authentication. Response: option A, only 1 and 2. Option B, only 2 and 3. Option C, only 1 and 3. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. The right answer is option C, only 1 and 3. Question number 56. If any person not directly concerned with a bank's customer solicit information on his account, the request from such person is and hence the banker may disclose. Select the most appropriate option from among the following. Response: option A, out of context should not. Option B, appropriate should. Option C, logical must. Option D, valid should. The right answer is option A, out of context should not. Question number 57. Which one of the following statement is incorrect about Bharat Interface for Money (BHIM)? Response: option A, it helps to make simple, easy and quick payment transaction using unified payments interface UPI. Option B, payment can be effected by using *99 hash service even if there is access to internet or smartphone. Option C, VPA is required for sending and receiving money on UPI. Option D, it cannot be issued for making small payments. The right answer is option D, it cannot be issued for making small payments. Question number 58. Which one of the following is an incorrect step while carrying out a withdrawal transaction by a customer service point (CSP)? Response: option A, CSP shows the smart card near to the terminal. Option B, biometric verification of the customer is carried out. Option C, the withdrawal data is stored in the terminal as well as in the smart card as a new entry. Option D, withdrawal receipt signed by the customer is handed over the customer. The right answer is option A, CSP shows the smart card near to the terminal. Question number 59. Which one of the following is the features of micro ATM? Select the most appropriate option from among the following. Response: option A, micro ATMs are not enabled to biometric authentication. Option B, it enables a person to instantly deposit or withdraw funds associated with a particular bank, metro, business correspondent. Option C, the micro ATM based on Aadhaar enabled payment system AEPS do not require any ATM card or swipe machine. Option D, the micro ATMs offer an offline interoperable low-cost payment platform only to certain sections in the country. The right answer is option A, micro ATMs are not enabled for biometric authentication. Question number 60. The share of non-performing assets (NPA) is net advance in consumer finance and vehicle loans lend to in the case of towns in business circles. Select the most appropriate option from among the following. Response: option A, increase. Option D, decrease. Option C, remain same. Option D, have not impact. This answer is for you. Thank you so much. And if you don't watch the part 1 and part 2, I have given link on description. Please watch this.